Hi there, my name is Rob Foster. I am CEO of Integria Healthcare. We have employed Trudy from TalentCode HR to undertake some strategy work for us, and our business has been in a junction. We've had a restructuring year. We've got a new executive team. We've got a bunch of good plans in place, and we've been trying to get them all on one page and a strategy to actually develop those. So Trudy's been intrinsic in helping us do that. So we've just spent a day with Trudy, very excited about the outcome. We've got a plan on a page, and we've got an excited team to start implementing them. So I'd like to thank Trudy very much for helping us.